Good morning, my dear Akshans. How are you all? I think you are all staying safe at home. Successfully, we have completed session 1 and session 2 of chapter 1, class 6 biology. Food, where does it come from? My dear Akshans, you are ready to know what will be the learning outcome today. So, here are the learning outcomes. So, first, I'll be teaching you how to prepare moong sprouts, nutritional facts of sprouts, how do we get honey, and how animals are classified by their food habits. So, first, let me tell you how to prepare moong sprouts. Take a handful of sprouts, put it in a bowl containing water, and leave it for a day. Take, for example, from morning 8 o'clock till evening 8 o'clock. After that, drain the water, take the seeds, and then take a wet cloth, spread it out, keep the seeds in a cloth and tie it. The next day morning, we can see wonderful moong sprouts. So, what are the health benefits of moong sprouts? First one, it reduces weight. Second, it controls cholesterol. It boosts immunity and it has antitoxic benefits and it also helps in fighting cancer. There are many health benefits of moong dal. We get honey with the help of honeybees. Honeybees collect the sugary fluid which is found in the flowers and converts into honey with the help of its saliva. Honey too has lots of medicinal values. Honey will be available only at a particular period of time. So bees start to store the honey in its hive. But we start to collect the stored food of honeybees. Next section, we are going to read what do the animals eat. We have seen many animals around us like dog, cat, squirrel, cow. So let us see the eating habits of every animal. Dogs eat even if you give biscuit to them, they eat. They also eat the bones and flesh of other animals. Cat eats the flesh of other animals. Squirrels, we know that squirrels munch on fruits and nuts. Not only on fruits and nuts, it also munches on eggs, small insects, caterpillars, small animals, and even young snakes. So, based on their food habits, we can classify the animals into three types. As herbivores, the animals which eat only plants, carnivores, which eat the flesh of other animals, omnivores, eat both plants and animal product. Now, what are the keywords we have learned through this lesson? Are ingredients. Ingredients are things which are used to prepare the dish. Edible is suitable to eat. Sprouted seeds, we have the method of sprouting the seeds. Herbivores, animals which eat the plant and plant products is called herbivore. Carnivore, which eats the flesh of other animals. And omnivore, which eats both plants and animals, we call it as omnivores. So here there are two activities I have given you. You can take any one activity and you can complete the activity. List out the food item taken by the people in Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Either Ladakh or Jammu and Kashmir. Find out the food item. Try to write the method of preparing the dish. Or grow your own plant for a week and prepare a bar graph of different length of sprouts. So you are making sprouts for a week, how much it grows. Just measure it and then create a bar graph. So I have given you two activities. Try to do at least one. I think this session will be useful to you. Thank you very much, my dear Akshans.